you have a customer whose pool you've serviced for a little while, but you're just now adding them to Hydroscribe and they have a balance with you. So how do you add their balance to Hydroscribe? Let's take a look at that. First, you click on Accounts, then click on Manage Customer Accounts. Then you find them in the list and click on their names, and that will bring up their customer profile. So you're going to scroll down a bit, and then you have to answer the question, is this balance that they have with you a positive, meaning they owe you money, or is it negative? In other words, they have a credit with you. We're going to look at both, but let's start with a positive balance. They owe you money. In that case, you're going to find the Customer Charges module, and then you're going to click the green Add button. So we're going to add that account balance as a charge. So as you see, it comes up with the customer's ID and the customer name. So now we're going to put in the date. So we select today's date, and the charge amount, let's say $85. And the reason for the charge, you can just say account balance. And let's leave it labor charge. And then should we apply a sales tax? You can say yes or no depending on whether your labor is taxable or not. And then now that we've added all the information, simply click the submit button and it will add a charge to the customer's account. And that's how you set up a positive account balance. Now let's go back and look at how to set up a negative balance. Okay, so again we're back to the customer profile. This time, because it's a negative balance, we're going to scroll down till we see payments and credit memos. You're going to enter the negative balance as a credit memo. So go ahead and click on the Add button for the payments and credit memos module. You can see that the customer doesn't have any balance currently. So you're going to, in the field that says I am, you're going to choose adding a credit memo. Okay, now you're going to put in the date and the amount of the credit that they have with you. Again, let's just say it's $85. Reason, we can say account balance, and there are no invoices to apply it to, so just leave that blank. Is this taxable? Again, we're going to say no because we don't charge sales tax on labor, and we're going to leave that as labor. Select a pool. The customer only has one pool, so we'll select that as the pool to apply to, and then we'll click the submit button. That credit memo will be applied to the customer's account, and they will now have a starting balance that's a credit. So that's how you add either a positive or a negative starting balance for your new customer.